like a Hellcat.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Alex. I'm here with my boy Chevy. Right now, what we're gonna be doing is reviewing some box mods and a jewel. This is a tugboat, as you see. It's a 2-batteried box. I only have one in here right now because the other battery is in here. So I'll go ahead and just take out this battery and see the high voltage on this box mod. This box mod's pretty nice. It's light. You can pocket it if you want to, but some people would rather not because it's big. Oh shit! Yo, what the fuck were you doing?